Hi guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing Jamaican chicken foot soup with pumpkin. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's Callie_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So here I have some pumpkin, I also have some carrot, I also have my Irish, and of course I have my Dasheen. If you guys want to add yam, if you want to add turnip or any other items that you want to add to your soup, you can always go ahead and do so. All of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get them at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative in the kitchen, guys. Remember to be you, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can even visit your local meat shop. You will get chicken foot there as well. And you can even visit your local farmers market, and all of the items that I'm using today, you can get them there except for the chicken foot. So as you can see, I went ahead and just sliced up my pumpkin. Then I'm going to go ahead and just slice up my Irish potato and place it back in the bowl with water. I'm using 4 carrots today. They're a little bit small, hence the reason for using 4. But if you guys want, you can always add more stuff to your soup, or you can just minus some of the stuff. Alright? It's really and truly, it's up to you. So on a Saturday evening, on a Wednesday afternoon, you can always go ahead and prepare this amazing soup for your family. Christmas is coming, you can always make this soup. And I mean, it's winter, so why not make this soup for your family? They will love it. And in our Jamaican household, we normally get this soup on a Saturday afternoon. But you know, over time, traditions change. People start to make soup whichever day they want. So you can always go ahead and just follow the tradition. Or if you want, you know, you just make it any day that you feel pleased. All right? So once we're finished cutting up all of these items, we're going to go ahead and just start cooking. I also went ahead and just seasoned up my chicken foot, and I also added some wings to it, just a few pieces of wings, about 4 pieces, and I went ahead and just seasoned it up. As usual, you know, I just use a little bit of my all-purpose seasoning, some paprika, and of course some black pepper to season it. So this is what it looks like. And always remember to wash your meat properly, and also wash your fruits and your vegetables before you consume them. So now it's time to go ahead and start cooking the chicken foot and also the pumpkin. So we're just going to go ahead and add water, and then we're going to add our seasoned chicken foot with the few pieces of wings, and I will also go ahead and add the pumpkin. So this should take you roughly about 45 minutes to cook. And I turned my stove on medium heat. So I'm just going to allow this to cook, cover it, and allow it to cook before I add any other stuff to it. I also went ahead and make up some dough because, you know, you can't make soup without some spinners. You need some spinners in your soup. So I went ahead and make up some dough that I'm going to use to make some spinners and some regular dumpling to add to my soup because it's a tradition, all right? So now that my chicken foot and also my pumpkin, it's nicely cooked, we're just gonna go ahead and add the spinners. Now, if you guys don't want to add any spinners, you can always go ahead and make regular dumpling. But I like to make both of them. Some days I tend to make only spinners, and some days I tend to make the regular dumpling. But just make them a little bit small so they are bite size, all right? Try not to make them too big. I know some persons don't like to make their dumpling small. They like the big level thing. But I mean, if you guys want to just, you know, just make it bite size. So once we finish adding our dumplings, we're just going to go ahead and add our carrots, our Dasheen, our Irish, and all of that goodness. And I'm using the French thyme today, but you guys can always go ahead and use the fine leaf thyme if you have it at home. But I do have a lot of French thyme, so I decided to just use it and eliminate the fine leaf thyme. So we're just gonna add all of that goodness, and of course we're gonna add our thyme and a piece of our scallion and combine everything together nicely. And we're just gonna allow this to just cook down a little before we add the cock soup mix. And I'm using the spicy cock soup mix today, but always remember that they do have different cock soup mix on the market. They do have the low sodium. You can always go ahead and try that out. And remember that they do have different brands of cock soup mix. You can always choose. You have an option. So I allow that to just cook for roughly about another 10 minutes or so. And now I'm going to go in and add my cock soup mix. I'm using 2 cock soup mix today. And I will not be adding any salt to my soup because these cock soup mix contains a lot of salt already. But I will add just a little bit of my all-purpose seasoning just to enhance the taste and the flavor. So once you add the cock soup mix, please be sure to just give it a nice little spin. And what you're gonna do, you're just gonna cover it and allow it to just continue to just cook. This should cook give it another 15 or 20 minutes, all right? But don't turn up your stove on high heat. So once it's finished cooking, I'll come back and show you guys what the final product looks like. And there you have it, guys, the final product of my amazing chicken foot soup with pumpkin. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel. We are on our way to 7K subscribers. Remember to share. Remember to tell a friend, to tell another friend. Thank you again for watching, and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.